We're on YouTube.
Voice alerts on.
What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. What's up? Oh, look, the microphone works. We got audio. We got visual. We got everything here, guys. Did freaking fantastic today. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the TGIF stream. Thank God it's Friday. New Age Wall Street. My name is Cruz. I am the founder and head trader at newagewallstreet.com. Welcome, guys. This will be our first stream after the whole GameStop and AMC kind of fiasco. And if you guys know, dude, like, I got fucking flamed in my comment section on YouTube. I hope a few of those guys actually want to come in and learn a thing or two about a thing or two. Um, so we'll see, but we're definitely going to go ahead and get some trading done in here today, guys. Announcements. Let's see, announcements as far as the so in light of like everything that was going on with the GameStop and GME's GameStop and AMC stuff, so we put the lifetime membership on sale. I linked it here in the chat. So if you guys want to sign up, we put a discount for the lifetime membership if you guys want to sign up with us. So you're not trying to just get a lottery ticket or try to get lucky. You could actually have some skills in the stock market to try to actually be consistently profitable whenever you're trading and not just gambling. So if you want to sign up, it is linked above in the chat. So it's pinned in the chat. And that'll be good through Friday, guys. So, or excuse me, that'll be good through Saturday. Today's Friday. So that'll be good through Sunday. So you just sign up. It's $2.99. And we'd be happy to have you so you can actually learn some skills and be consistently profitable, right? Other than that, we finished the giveaway for the PS5. We will give that away and announce it on Sunday, and then on that's it. So we have that. We're gonna do another type of like contest type thing. So I have to get the stickers and everything. I'll be 100% honest. I kind of slacked on it. So with that being said, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put some stickers for sale for free. So I'm gonna put some free stickers on my website, so you could go on there, and we'll send you stickers. And then what we're gonna do is you stick the stickers like in. We're gonna do like a couple different categories, like the funniest spot, the most like adventurous spot, and like some other places where you could stick the stickers in New Age Wall Street stickers, and then we'll go through all the stuff, and then whoever post whichever one we like the best. We'll choose some winners for some merch and things like that. Okay. All right. That's it, guys. Let's get to trading. How come my data is not showing for the stream, bro? Like now, did I mess it up? I could see you all. Oh, it says privacy unlisted. How the hell do I change that? Bro. Someone help. One second, guys. Cool. I think I got it now. I'm going to refresh this page and hopefully it don't fuck everything up. Oh, dude, I'm not supposed to put F-bombs on YouTube. There we go. That's a lot better. All right, cool. So, awesome, guys. Let's get to some trades and things here, some watch lists. Just give me a second. All right, so to the left here, you're going to see this is my screens. On the right part of the screen, you're going to see where there's the flow algo, and then we have the thinkorswim right here. What up, homie?
What's up, dude?
You lost or what?
Yeah.
Long way from the west side, huh?
What's up, bro? Aaron.
Nice to meet you, bro. I'm live on YouTube right now, so you can pull up the desk right there. This one right here too.
You got all these guys?
Huh?
Whose desk is this one?
No one's.
Okay, well, which one? Yeah, that one. This is nice, bro.
Thank you, bro. I'll give you a tour right now. Oh, this is Arion.
What's up, man? Richard, bro. Aaron. Aaron? Yeah, cool. Nice to meet you guys.
All right, guys.
We are ready to go. Ready to do work.
Yeah, dude, they were breaking into our cars and
This guy's
stuff.
just patrolling the garage, man.
Yeah, so
Why? The car set by the AR, bro.
yeah. You know what? Our cars haven't been broken into since we told everyone. All right. Sorry guys, we got a full house today. It's kind of cool. Um, all right, so let's look at some tickers here, guys. So far here on the SPY, this actually went a lot better than I thought it was yesterday. So the last, let me see. So we had 2 days right here. So one, two. So that was really strong, and then we had kind of an inside day right here, a rest day, and then I thought that we were going to keep on resting right here and maybe pull back, but we broke up and then we continued going up. So so today, I mean, usually on Fridays we do fade a little bit. So um, so who knows? We'll see if we could get up a little bit higher. The R1 is way above here, and then we'll see. We'll see if we can come back. Maybe this area between the PTC and then the pivot. All right. Yeah, we got the trade factor in full effect today. So we got Richard in here, we got Aaron, we got Arion in here. So for those of you guys that are the first time that you're going to be watching the stream, so I have a whole office here in Albuquerque, and I'll have one soon in Dallas, and I call it the Trade Factory. So if you guys want to come out to Albuquerque and trade here live with me, you could come and trade with us here in the Trade Factory side by side with me, and also get insights from other traders and stuff as well. So pretty cool. There's coffee right here, guys, on this desk right here.
Can you hear me? Oh, shit. What'd you say? There's coffee over here, dude?
Yeah, right.
Box, bro. A box of the box.
Yep.
I need a refill, dude.
I know that's why I texted you. I was like, bro, he's gonna go get his own damn coffee. All right, guys. So Charlie's telling me to take a look at Zoom here for the upside, and I think we kind of been waiting for this a little bit here. I was showing my guys this the other day. So we had like this downward wedge right here, this downward channel, and it looks a lot like this. If you guys know this pattern right here, I'm sure you guys know this ticker. Right here, let me go further out. Right here. So this looks almost exactly the same right here on Zoom that it does on AMC. So you got this downward wedge, and then you have your breakout point right here. This kind of went sideways first, so it didn't have like that kind of squeeze effect where it went straight up. So we had kind of this cup handle sideways, resistance at the 400. Now we need to break above and continue if we're going to continue going up. They don't report earnings until like the end of March, I don't think so. We have some time on that. So that one, I have a position on Square still. So Square and PayPal moving with as Bitcoin sympathies. So so I still have Square from yesterday, and this is pretty nice to wake up to here. A little bit gapped up on Square. I want it to get to 240 and then 250 eventually. But yesterday this kind of just went sideways, and it's kind of sucked. It just moved really slow.
So, Richard, with the landscaping too?
Yeah, with
Most
most
parts of it. Okay, that's cool.
Yeah. It's nice because we get to do this stuff in the morning if we choose to. So, we don't have
Dude,
to
look
do
at
that.
Penn, PENN.
From doing it, so never get
But you, yeah, there's a good steady coming in.
the goals.
Dude, the Penn had earnings and they didn't even do well on their earnings, and this thing is crazy. I don't really have anything else. Do you guys have other tickers that you guys want to look at?
Warriors. Yeah.
On what? You're not trading there?
Once they delayed all the paper accounts, bro, I'm not like trying to be 10 minutes behind. That drives me nuts. Especially to like hear you guys on the chat and then be 10 minutes behind. I'm like, oh cool, I'll just execute perfect trades. I know exactly what's going on. Like if I was alone, it would be like,
Why are you 10 minutes behind? It's not real time?
no, my account was real time and then they pulled it or Thinkorswim.
TD Merchant? Really?
If you don't have a funded account,
Is
like
yours
if you
funded
don't-
or is it
I
not
have to
funded?
wait for the option, so I can day trade right now.
But is your account funded? Is there money in it? See, I don't have
well,
mine funded.
you have to have a minimum of $500 in your day trading account. So if you don't have that, it won't give you real time data.
I should. I just haven't taken
They
that
used
on.
to.
I asked to put
It's
500
weird
bucks.
because they approved real-time data before I put money in.
Yeah, they did too.
But now I'm just waiting for it to switch over.
I've had my paper account for like 18 months, maybe 2 years, 18 months probably. And they had it on real time and then I never funded it, so they took it off. No biggie.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yeah. So it's the one that says sweet,
I
1200.
still need to give Cruz money to get all of the
5G?
actual like
5G or
shit
2.1?
in all the
just the 2.4
different
and then
algorithms and
The
everything.
password
Anyway,
is,
I have very few.
password with a capital P and then one.
Oh, that's like that's an Aaron
Is it a
password.
password one?
Yeah, that's what I said.
That's secure.
He has that as like every single password.
No, well, we can have
Capital
that because
P.
we have our clients like.
Mine's always
hosting and-
password with one of my kids'
But it's
birthdays
just
and an
easy.
exclamation point. That's what everybody does.
You know, I remember Cruz used to be just chilling there on the phone at T-Mobile and just trading, and everybody would talk shit on him.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did your girl quit, didn't she, Richard?
Who?
Your chick?
What about it?
She quit T-Mobile?
Oh yeah, she quit what,
A year ago?
yeah, like right when we were having our kid.
You worked at call center too?
Yeah, I worked with Ariel there in Nelson
My wife worked at them all before I met her.
back in the day.
Like everyone knows somebody or has worked there at one point.
My wife worked there like
The right of house
like 8 years ago. 7, 8 years ago. I know a bunch of people that worked there because
All right, guys.
Years ago.
Pola. Sorry, I was grabbing a coffee real quick, guys. This one's pretty nice, dude. This is a really nice cup right here. This handle right here. And you could see the wicks on this resistance at 24 on this POLA. So support here at this like 2050. And then this could potentially start moving back up. Super Bowl tickets. Super Bowl tickers. DKNG, dude. I kind of pansied out on my DKNG. I was holding it. I saw that Kathy Wood was buying up DKNG, dude. I got in at 50. I think it was like 59, dude. And now it's starting to take off. It was just moving really slow, and so one of my rules is the walk into profit quickly rule. So your trade should walk into profit quickly if your entry is on point. So it wasn't making me money, so I just left it alone. What?
Yeah, exactly.
Dude, Semantica's all over the place.
What?
Dude, it's all gone.
I'm branch at 77.
It's like sitting at low sell.
Does the options change my help already though?
I don't even know if they have options on.
Aaron, how long have you been?
The monthly and yearly subscription is just price, dude. So there's no like benefit over one or the other, dude. It's just the price difference. Post earnings pins go long, swing it. I like that idea, dude. I liked pins yesterday. I think we get to 100 and start pushing 100 on that. CSCO, is that Cisco? You're watching Amazon today, Richard?
I mean,
Are you?
Yeah. It's Friday.
At least the prices are cheap on Saturday or Friday.
I know.
Already?
yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, it's all fucked up. Can you fix it for me?
It's all fucked up. I didn't realize that those are designed for a JIT or like a Dremel. I'm like, man, most people
Yeah.
use an end mill or something.
Yeah.
This is the frame.
Are you done that too?
For what? For a 10%?
Yeah.
Was it already?
Yeah, same here.
Was it a Glock 19 or what?
It just has the holes in it.
Yeah, but it's like
80% lower for.
Is that a Glock 19 upper?
Yeah.
I have an air 80% lower.
I've got the lower that I haven't milled yet, and I have a jig. I just got to mess with it. I didn't get the jig I wanted.
Do you have a mill?
Cisco, yeah.
No, the one that I wanted is like around.
This is already up a little bit here on the Cisco, dude. I could see it getting up to this like 48. So like the top, so you'd have resistance like right here, right above this pivot. So we have a little bit of room. You have like $2 in order for it to go, which is pretty good for this low of a ticker. I'm assuming that the market cap and the flow on this thing has a big ol' ass. So I'm assuming it moves a little bit more slowly. I don't know because yesterday it went up pretty crazy. So, so yeah. Yeah, so that's a good point there. As Hot Potato saying, if you guys are playing options premium, I apologize if it's a little loud. Make sure that you're using next week's expiration, okay? So you don't get that theta decay and start eating up at you. So if you're inexperienced or the ticker's just not moving on a lot of momentum, use next week's expirations, all right?
And the worst things are like pistols. Yeah. Just fucking lose them. I figured it out now. I just have like a big magnet around me. And just like, people will be like on the floor, I'll just like, I'll have like a string and
You're
I just
finding shit in your garage, bro. But you have like old clothes, I know that shit.
A little late on the party on PayPal here, guys, so...
Well, I mean, the kids all come with extra shit usually, like a little bit extra. So he's built a few. I built one. We built one. There's all of our shit is all kind of just.
Zine. Oh, dude, look, we got Mr. Spiteful Hopes in here.
I only bought one like for airs. I only bought one pre-built one. I sold it right.
It's crazy.
Cause like you.
ZYNE.
You pay twice as much and get half as much.
At the time, I paid like maybe $800 for a Smith and Wesson, but then I was like, I started changing everything out. I'm like, why am I gonna buy something pre-built and just remove everything just to put?
This one's pretty nice, dude. So this is a pretty nice flag here going sideways over the last 2 days. So definite resistance here at 5. So 5 is going to be the area that you have to look at for the breakout here. And you may also just put in a higher low right here, maybe like 475 or so. Excuse me. So
He bought it for $1,400 the other day. And he like built it, like did a build sheet on what it would cost to build it. It would cost like $780.
I could have built it for like $700. But
Yeah, there's those people that'll go and buy like. Are you familiar with?
UXIN, what's up? Good morning, dude. Good morning. Good morning.
The shittiest ARs you can buy. Yeah. Well, they're either hit or miss. Like the quality control is so shitty.
still trap.
Ooh, yeah. So snap off the earnings from yesterday. That'll be good. Let me pull that up. There's a lot of flow on flow algo yesterday for Starbucks, and Starbucks has gapped up here pretty well today, dude. So
BCA.
He bought a primary. What did he buy? No, he bought an Adams Arms, one of the ones with the piston.
Adams are decent.
I don't know what kind of company or exactly this is. The UXIN right here, dude. Is this a ETF of some type?
You know why you spent this much? And I was looking at it.
I think it's a ETF, right?
He's never fired any of his ones. He must have been
This thing is up here as well. It either needs to rest and flag sideways, dude, or pull back down to like this level. So if it could pull back down to right here to like around this pivot level, then that would be your reload spot. Or it needs to flag and go sideways before it breaks out and goes further up.
Anytime we pass it, we go there. So
Nothing's there.
we looked at the other day.
Yeah.
3 boxes of 9 and
Someone told me
$5
that.
each the other day.
Someone told me they're like, and they're going at like cheaper prices, not like 90 cents a round.
Oh, bro, it was
Ridiculous. It was $70 for 3 boxes of 9 and 2 boxes of 5.6.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
yeah, I do. I have a couple guns I've never shot, man. Just because of that one. The only thing I do is Walmart has 22 every now and then. So like every time I go to Walmart, I'll just check, and sometimes I look out and they just put it on the
He's
shelf.
got a 22 conversion for one of his ARs.
So I have there's this company that I have 2 guns with it. It's POF, Patriot Ordnance Factory. They're pretty popular in like the piston game. And I have one of their 22 Rebels. It's like this it's like a 4-pound.
I'm moving my desk down.
It feels like a toy, man. And it's
I have a sit and stand desk, so
it's nice for.
let me see if I can get the camera further.
I was selling a truck and he had a bunch of stuff he was gonna trade me, and there was 222 rifles that were nice little
Like
belts.
1022s or.
Yeah, they were nice little belts on them, but
There's such good blinkers for like kids. You
Well,
know?
it's like my 14-year-old son loves shooting Richards AR with the 22 blinker area.
It was one of the CMMG conversions.
I don't know what random
2A conversion.
I don't know what random conversion you bought, but it's like
What do
there's
you
only
see? What do you see on
there's
Amazon?
real
Dude?
Huh? Amazon.
What do you see
You
on
just
Amazon?
throw it in.
I wanna.
Yeah.
I wanna see.
put the bolt, change out the bolt carrier, that's it.
I wanna see it hold right here. Like on this pivot right here, or even the PDC. So if it can just drop and hold in this area right here, then for it to go up and just run, that would be pretty cool. So I think this was where it came.
Hold that support again.
Yeah, so it held the support right here, right, yesterday. So that's a pretty big support area there
I was in the army, so
at the
I get like a 10%.
3280 right here. So I think it's gonna stay above, and then we'll put in like a holistically a higher low. Like, so if we dip down to like this pivot area or the top right here,
Can you?
So yeah, once you pay them, they'll hold it there for you.
this will go right here.
That right there.
So
I didn't know that. That's cool.
3225 or so. So the top right here, and then it will support right here. So if we hold it, so this will be the first area, then right here, kind of in between the yesterday's PDC and right here, and then see if it goes up. So we'll see. I'll be with you though.
To get it transferred, there's some guy that does.
Yeah, Richard and Aaron, Aaron have never been here before, so. Yeah.
He's never been here before.
Yeah, Richard's never been here.
He's on the chat for that. Yeah. He was like, Richard, are you trading today? Or you like to
That's it, bro.
Richard's just like that shit in the chat.
Are you on you're on YouTube right now too?
Yes, sir. Dude, this coffee sucks. Pay 20 bucks for this damn coffee. It sucks. CCIV. Also, for you guys that are new here on the stream today, the chat right here above is my actual Discord of my members, so you could see like what they're calling out, what they're looking at, different price targets and stuff. So could kind of be able to interact and be able to see what they're calling out too. CCIV. The CCIV, dude, I think so. All the signs point that it's gonna get to 40, bro. So I don't know if it'll do it today, but like if you come in here on the I thought that they were gonna announce some type of like the actual deal with Lucid and everything, dude. I thought that they were going to announce that stuff, because if you come in and you look at the flow for CCIV, bro, it's really I think there was like one big old put, but look at all this bullish flow on here, dude. So 50, 50, 45. There's more 40s, dude. Like, and if you come over here and you look at the open interest on CCIV as well, I mean, it's pretty much the same thing, right? So, what the hell? It's not bringing it up. So. I was wanting to see it. I think, but anyways, there's lots of open interest and volume up above, so I do think that we get to $40. I don't know if it'll do it today, but I think they're on. I think the CEO is on CNBC or something like that. That they were telling me. Regeneron. What's your favorite play, Richard?
I don't know.
What's your favorite setup?
I don't know.
We usually stream just the open, about the first hour or so, 2 hours. Richard just likes ascending triangles, descending triangles with compression.
This is the easiest one, dude.
That's all.
That's what you do. He likes money.
That's all. That's just make that bag, bro.
Yeah, it's been a squeeze for like 20 minutes.
That's a 3 minute. Oh shit.
It's like an hour. It's just like squeeze.
On a 3 minute camera. 7 o'clock in the morning. What's on right here? See if it holds the board.
Spy gonna run out the open? I don't know, dude. I think we're gonna get a dip here. Facebook taking off. Oh, there goes my.
The closing time. And that's about what my house.
Dude, you're right. Facebook is taking off.
You think I was lying?
Yeah.
Yep.
Amazon's gonna do shit all the way past that. Past that one resistance, it's going down to the next one.
Are we good? Are we there?
I like that you guys on the stream, especially the newer guys, you guys know me by name, dude. Like I'm not just some weird YouTuber like Big P&L Trader 91 or something like that. It's fucking stupid, bro.
You could be dildo swagging 69.
I know that. I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like, you know, the Wall Street bets. There's like dildo swagging 69, like Arion. Like, I like that you guys actually know my name.
Score 69. Yeah. All those meme stocks, man. People are losing money right now.
Oh, now they're losing their ass.
Well, people are getting in on it right now. Someone texted me yesterday about like crypto. I'm like, bro, where have you been this entire time?
We have some guys that used to be managers and work for us at T-Mobile too, like in the retail market. And they were like, they've just been talking about nothing but GME and AMC for like the last like 2.5 weeks. But I'm like, you guys are getting it now. Like they're still holding through it now. I'm like, you guys done lost a shit ton of money and you're still losing money.
To the moon, right?
That's the problem is everybody got like stuck on that hold the line shit.
And they kept
They got
holding
it
it.
at 40 or 50 bucks.
Dude, the line was at $16. I told them it was at $16.
Wasn't it like 14 when it skyrocketed?
It's like, man, take your fucking profits and get out, bro. What are you so loyal to being an investor in GameStop for?
It's I guess the principal. I don't know. Oh, at least it went up. You know.
Well, it's holding at like 90 now, isn't it?
It's 55.
Oh, they dropped it for 5?
Yesterday it was like 49.
BAC. 31 calls. February 12th, 2021. 500 and Billy. 160 calls. February 19th, 2021.
Dude, I like that
500
exactly, bro.
BA.
Like if you're gonna put an
215
investment
calls.
and spend the kind of money
February
that I'm
5th,
asking for on a membership,
2021.
absolutely. Like you
400
better know where
PLTR.
that person has been and
35
where
calls.
you know how they're making money and how
February
they conduct
12th,
themselves and what
2021.
have you. So
502 contracts.
It's helpful when it says that. Because you don't have to keep your eyes on them.
You could, I'm sure there's a...
Richard's just a cheap ass, bro. He doesn't like to. He doesn't. He likes black box at $99 a month.
I picked up a bunch of flow Tiffany missed. That bitch is fucking narrow.
No, she actually picks up the significant flow, bro. You don't want 20 different things.
I don't know. I was in on Tesla and there was no flow on flow out.
Well, yeah.
Accessibility app, they'll read that to you. For Big Black. One of those accessibility apps for your visually impaired, they'll read it after you read it. Link it to that page. Yeah. You can just link it to that one specific webpage.
Got like 3,100 calls for me, dude. On Amazon.
I'm watching Square for my position yesterday, guys, and I wanted to bounce off the PDC right here at 237. So if you're taking a look here, 237. Oops, Square, not the price. Oh, and it just broke.
Do you have any flow on Amazon yet?
No, dude, there's not even any flow coming through.
It's oversold as well right now. Yeah, hold on, watch.
Baba. 280 calls. February 19th, 2021. 270 contracts.
Baba.
I'm hearing people talking about BKYI skyrocketing.
All right, so Amazon putting in this base here at 33.10. Wasn't that where I told you, Richard?
Yeah.
There you go, Coop.
J&J. 165 calls. April 16th, 2021. 500 contracts.
See those sweeps I just posted on Amazon?
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm saying. Like, I mean, it's just the way that you set the how sensitive the scanner is for them.
That's a $2 million sweep. What do you mean?
On a $3,000 ticker,
Yeah, exactly. $3 million sweep almost. Yeah, when those MACDs cross, it's gonna fucking go up.
GME.
Also, we're talking
60 calls. February 5th, 2021. 520 ZNGA. 11 calls. February 12th, 2021. 500 contracts. ZNGA. 11 calls. February 12th, 2021. 500 ZNGA. 11 calls. February 12th, 2021. 500 contracts.
Still raging up and down. It's not a good true up yet.
ZNGA. 11 calls. February 12th, 2021. 500 contracts. C62 calls. February
some,
19th,
Amazon puts,
2021. 746 contracts.
so I got Amazon
CLF
puts right here,
17
guys, off of the
calls.
SPY being weak and
February
pulling
19th,
back. And
2021.
then Amazon
518
doesn't want anything
contracts.
to do with going up. It's pretty low volume. So if we break this 33.10ish area, we may get back down to 32.80 to test that area.
TSLA.
There goes Zoom, dude.
800 puts. February 12th, 2021. 280 ZNGA. 11 calls. February 12th, 2021. 984 contracts.
Yeah, I want the SPY to keep dumping too.
Nat. 3
Needs to break,
calls.
so if you could see right here where it
February
bounced in
19th,
pre-market, needed to
2021.
break this 387.40 area right here.
1023 GS80. 3 calls. July 16th, 2021. 1000 contracts. IWM. 225 calls. February 12th, 2021. 500 contracts.
Amazon might start compressing, dude. Yes. So for my members, I go live on Discord and screen share just like you see here. And I don't do my camera though. I don't do the camera where you could see me, but yes, I share my screen and then I call out trades and everything here. I'll be 100% honest. I'm a little bit on my element. I'm not used to having all the guys here and stuff, so it's a little bit different. But yes, so if you sign up for a membership, I do share my
GME.
screen like this every day.
140
And then
calls. February 12th, 2021. 631 contracts.
let's see here.
Could have gotten into Moderna, dude. It fucking skyrocketed.
Sava. 60 calls.
Sava.
February 19th, 2021. 517 contracts.
Done right here. It would fucking. 171 to 4-ish.
Options on approach, so too.
But I can't buy options.
They haven't released your outcome. When did you apply?
A couple days ago, 2 days ago.
How long did they
Oh,
take?
they have to approve it?
Yeah.
Take like 2 days for you?
Well, it has to be like wire transfer.
VZ. 54 calls. February 19th, 2021. 500 contracts.
That's why I had to call him just now.
It'll be like 5 days. It'll be like all 5 days. Because they'll approve your equity like usually next day, so you can do like stock trading.
Yeah. So I have.
You just can't do any
I'm gonna do.
option trading.
I'm gonna do like a trade or two, and then that's it. 'Cause
Spy.
you can only do.
SPY. 387 puts. February 10th, 2021. 500 contracts.
Well, to settle, so like it'll
Oh,
take
yeah.
out that equity for like 2 days.
Gotcha.
So like if your options were to clear on Monday, you might not have that equity that you did for the trades.
But you can only execute, what, 4 trades a week since you.
Well, that's for your
Yeah, I was saying you fund at 25,000, so you can only do 4 funds a week.
yeah.
See a nice bounce on Square right here, guys. So if you go take a look,
GME puts.
Tesla, that.
so I'm still holding my Square right here. This is a nice bounce off the pivot. This support. Come on, Amazon, give me a big old wash candle.
CCIV 40 calls. February 19th, 2021. 400 contracts. FUBO. 50 calls. February 5th, 2021. 251 contracts.
So I'm in Square to the upside and Amazon to come down here, guys. So
You didn't get in on Tesla, did you?
Holy shit.
MGM. 28 puts. March 19th, 2021. 580 contracts.
TIGR.
The volume's falling off on it though.
diamond hands on Zoom. Yeah, Zoom was really nice, dude. Zoom was a really nice call. Of course, I looked left to Amazon instead of Zoom and played the hard one.
$10 a contract.
That's right now. Uplands 5. 2B. You got it here. 37. Maybe about 5 minutes.
It's trying to hold volume.
I think this one's good one now. There's long to this one. You can see.
Sends 5 calls. July 16th, 2021. 1,460 contracts.
Tesla volume. This is just lower.
This is printing yellow. This one. It's in my phone. It's face.
At 3 minutes. I look at the
NFLX. 620 calls. February 12th, 2021. Shop. 1,300 calls. February 5th, 2021. 100 IWM. 215 puts. February 12th, 2021. SPY. 379 puts. February 22nd, 2021. NCLH. 22 puts. May 21st, 2021. 1,000 sends 5 calls. July 16th, 2021. 1,084 contracts.
So Amazon to the downside here, guys. It came in back and reclaimed this pivot.
TRIT.
So
10 calls.
at 33, like
February
17.
19th, 2021.
So just kind of keeping an eye on it.
514 contracts.
Oh wow, GameStop moved up from 43 to 62, or 40, or 50 to 62.
Dude, Zoom was freaking gorgeous, bro.
Apps. 85 calls. March 19th, 2021. 488 contracts. AAL. 22 calls. August 20th, 2021. 1,500 contracts.
What'd you say? Squeeze Boys Mafia?
Vale. 18 calls. March 19th, 2021. 800 contracts.
That's a longer hold, which is more frustrating on a
Hey,
Friday.
what do you guys think about Trinity Biotech?
AAL. 22 calls. August 20th, 2021. 944 contracts.
Huh?
AAL. 22 calls. August 20th, 2021. 4,000 contracts. ZM. 420 calls. February 19th, 2021. TRIT. 12 calls. February 19th, 2021. 500 and Uber. 63 calls. February 12th, 2021. 2,000 contracts. SPY. 379 puts. February 22nd, 2021. SBUX. 110 calls.
What?
June 18th, 2021. 658 contracts.
Is that candle on Amazon?
Yeah.
CVX 90
Got me
calls.
out.
February 12th, 2021.
Yeah.
2,025 contracts.
If Zoom pulls back, dude, if Zoom comes back and validates 400, I'll get calls on Zoom. Come on.
Koji. 7 calls. February 19th, 2021. 556 contracts.
The guy that RPGs and he's funny. I told Jack we were there.
NGD. 1 calls. May 21st, 2021. 1000 contracts. Sends 4 calls. February 19th, 2021. 500 contracts. FXI. 55 calls. September 17th, 2021. 1000 contracts.
Doesn't make sense, dude.
Coffee shops are like nice.
Order filled.
Bruce King's finest art.
Always talk shit about him on stream.
They always talk shit about their coffee.
It is, bro. Like,
No one goes there for the coffee.
It's funny though, because he got dark Komodo coffee from Starbucks.
no, like it's not the dark thing. It's just it sucks. Like,
Would you get Pike's Place coffee?
I don't know. It's just dark.
The coffee that he got.
I never tried that one before.
Yeah, it definitely tastes like a dark roast Starbucks coffee.
Starbucks is always like, hey, how are you gonna make this better? They're like, burn it more. Just burn the beans more. Just burn the beans. It's gonna be fine.
Knowing Cruz, he probably
STMP. 300 calls. December
No.
17th, 2021. 68 contracts.
BRCC.
Sends 4 calls. February 19th, 2021. 500 contracts. ZM. 410 calls. February 5th, 2021. 100 CLF 17 calls. February 12th, 2021. 500 contracts. SBUX. 110 calls. June 18th, 2021. 501 contracts.
This is a nice little bounce on GameStop today, guys.
Around it, Cabela's, and they're flipping for 80 cents around.
Yeah, we were buying boxes. When we went in under the day, they had boxes. You were limited to 5 boxes.
Which
And it
places
was-
are?
Here's the
Yeah,
thing,
it was
like,
11
there's a lot of
bucks a
places that have them in stock online,
Mhm.
but then you're looking at $1 after shipping.
The cheapest places I found is if you buy directly from like Federal and Sig, but they only restock like in the middle of the morning,
It's expensive.
like 2 in the morning, bro.
TCOM. 37 calls.
Dude, Starbucks
February
is actually crazy
19th,
today.
2021.
I mean, it's way cheaper.
699
If you guys have
contracts.
tickers, go ahead and call out the tickers, and I'll go ahead and go over them, and we can analyze them together, guys.
Third of the cost.
I think we calculated it at like 32, 33 cents around right now.
Right now, well then it'll go down.
Back down to 15 eventually.
But I don't know how I feel. One time I got a reload.
EXPR 4 calls. February 19th, 2021. 871 contracts.
So reloads, I have no issues, and they're heavy reloads too. They're like,
Right?
147 grain Magnum.
I mean,
the only thing with those is like,
There's subsonics. There's subsonic reloads. Not bad. Okay.
What's the
SBUX.
difference? What's the difference on a
110 calls. June 18th, 2021. 693 contracts.
wrist at all. You have to stay super stiff, or you'll still pipe
yeah.
all of them. Like if your wrist breaks at all, you shoot it, you'll still pipe it. Like my son can't shoot it,
Why's that?
just because he's not like he just doesn't stay stiff enough when you shoot the knife on the recoil. His hand moves just a little bit, and even though it moves like just a little bit, it still pipes the
Well,
shoulder.
because yeah, they're
Brass.
designed for suppressor, which is a little bit more blowback, so
Yeah.
that can.
Yeah, so it's less gas.
ASRT. 1 calls. March 19th,
Order
2021. 500
Order filled.
contracts.
Yeah. I got it in Zoom. Zoom on the pullback. DKNG, yeah, we're a little bit late to DKNG. At the beginning of the week, that would have been a nice play, but a little bit late for DKNG right now.
ZM. 430 calls. February 12th, 2021. 700 IWM. 225 calls. February 19th, 2021. 5,000 contracts.
Got perfect exit. Just about one. Yeah. What was the contract at?
For which one?
Netflix? What?
Oh, you got Netflix?
I'm watching Netflix.
You should have got two. You know, kick yourself in the ass because you always say that shit.
Do you see the Spies game? I'm not trying to buy two right now. The Spy is not happy.
Yeah, I wanted to get down to the PDC. That'd be sick.
See?
Yeah. That's
The only reason I
push down candle.
The only reason I only bought one is because Netflix isn't really, it's trying to hold itself up.
Get the fucking
GIX. 10 puts. March 19th, 2021. 2021 real. 25 calls. March 19th, 2021. 720 ZM. 460 calls. February 19th, 2021. 554 contracts.
Zoom need to break this 410 right here, guys.
QQQ. 332 puts. February 12th, 2021. 500 contracts.
Yeah.
She tells me she's looking to get her personal trainer certificate.
Oh, is she?
She asked me if I'd ever be interested in opening a gym there in Tucson.
Yeah. That's exactly what I was thinking.
T30 calls.
Order
April
partially filled.
16th, 2021.
Order filled.
736 contracts.
Looking at so Cruz, let me know if this is like a good thing, but looking at CRBP and their trends and their volume over the last week, it looks like it dips and then goes up.
ZM.
Bro, you gotta
460 calls.
watch it, bro.
February 19th, 2021. 5 ZM. 460 calls. February 19th, 2021. 164 contracts. BBBY. 24 puts. February 19th, 2021.
CRBP right here at this
553
S1
contracts.
right here, dude. So you would look for it to bounce off this 250 area right here as well.
You said 250
Yeah.
on CRBP?
Yeah.
ZNGA. 11 calls. February 12th, 2021. 1,386 contracts. ZNGA. 11 calls. February 12th, 2021. 2,700 BBBY. 27 calls. February 19th, 2021. 1,000 BB. 12 calls. February 19th, 2021. 1,028 contracts.
The VIX is rising here pretty strong, guys. So watch this slide off here on the SPY. So kind of all morning it's been weak. It couldn't even get back up right here. So
Reg. 500 calls. February 12th, 2021. 160 contracts.
I hate my physique, bro. I'm gonna just fucking
In the next upload, it's coming. I think it'll push through.
So here's the pullback on Zoom, guys. If you guys are looking at Zoom, that's kind of like the thing everyone's looking at in my room right now. So this 405 would be the place where you'd want it to hold, or actually 403.89.
You know what I noticed? I hate eating because I would. It fucks makes you so hungry.
What?
I just don't like the doing it.
Eating what?
Eating first thing in the morning all early.
Oh,
It makes your metabolism kick in and then you're just starving all day long.
That's a little bit.
Cruz does 5-day fasts.
5-day fast.
what the hell? No, I don't.
I did 5-day fast.
Do I look like I fast for 5 days?
Netflix fall sweeps.
The sweep's high enough for where you're in.
No, they were. I mean, they're
You can't hear me.
Tesla calls.
Price though.
Tesla calls right now too.
What are the Netflix calls in it?
I mean, with today's expiration.
GDX. 40 calls. September 17th, 2021. 600 and T29 calls. February 12th, 2021. 1,000 contracts.
Is your little one walking now and stuff, Richard?
Yeah, that dude's running, bro.
Yeah? You have to show me a picture, bro. Last time I seen him, he's baby, bro. He's like, he's fresh out the oven, bro.
Yeah, he's a little guy.
He just looks like a little blonde Richard, all grumpy and shit.
He's blonde?
No.
Oh.
Aaron says blonde, but it's because my kid's not dark Mexican.
Because your kid's not fully cooked like mine.
That's fucked up.
OSTK. 100 calls. February 12th, 2021. 270 contracts.
Come on, give me another nice wash here on the SPY.
C. 47 calls. February 19th, 2021. 304 STLA. 22 calls. January 21st, 2022. 1,012 contracts.
People that have never had a job.
I got the smooth jazz voice. What?
I've heard that.
Man, I wish I got into TLTR. When I was with developers.
Have you bought anything?
No. I have to be conservative because I don't have a lot in my account. And I
What's
can
that one
only
that
do day trades.
there was a lot of
Real low?
PLTR.
I don't know, dude.
65 calls. April 16th, 2021. 500 and
Is that better? What if I just turn off the desktop audio all the way around?
Is that the one that's like $10? This one just doesn't look like it has a lot of volume.
Let me see which one I was thinking. No, I think it was
Stocks at all.
70.
Putting money out there for dollar moves.
PLTR.
But
65
I've been spoiled because all I watched is
April
options.
But like,
16th,
but I mean
2021.
like, even if you were to do those dollar moves, you could
505.
double your money quick.
Yeah, 50%
386
of them on like
puts.
3%, like on a $3 stock. It's just-
February
it's not
8th,
like-
2021.
No. It's not even
Yeah, Pins is actually badass for earnings, bro. They usually do really good for earnings, so which they did. But I would like for it to set up to go to 100. That would be absolutely awesome.
February 19th, 2021. 266
Yeah,
contracts.
it was PINS. Sorry.
PINS.
Baba and
Innis.
here's your setup on Baba, Richard.
I mean, it looks like it'll, based on the, no, it just had a,
It's running.
yeah,
Still kind of
I wouldn't,
long range.
yeah. That would have been good, what, yesterday morning?
Yeah,
That
there was a
would've
lot
been
of.
perfect yesterday morning, you would've made a good amount.
That's what everyone was talking about yesterday.
So,
My goodness. Still this guy getting up penis. Alright. Reflex.
PFE.
It's so much out there, dude, I'm sure.
Oh,
February
right there in the lobby in
26th,
front of the elevators, brother.
2021.
Alright, cool, thank you.
500 contracts.
How long are you here till, Richard?
Us?
33 puts.
We have the privilege of being
February
here as long as we feel like, I
26th,
guess.
2021. 5 PFE. 33
You guys
puts.
have employees?
July
Oh, yeah.
16th,
Our general
2021.
manager's kind of taking care of everything for us.
618 contracts.
Oh, you guys have a general manager now?
Yeah.
That why you could trade now all the time?
Yeah, I don't have to be out in the field, dude.
I mean, you were trading from your phone out there anyways.
If I was in on a trade, I would close out the order on the field.
Or you trading on your phone?
It's not recommended. It's one of my rules, dude.
Dude, you can get something like this, man, and even though it's just one screen, it has cellular.
Yeah.
That's what I have. Like, I mean, it's not connected because, I'd rather get Wi-Fi.
Like I'd be out on a truck, and if I was still on a trade, but I had to be at a job, I would just watch the
You
order.
just have it like a
Watch
copy
the
on
order.
like a mount.
I would
like,
watch the
right
order
there.
on my phone. It's just not
You
ideal.
have it mounted like a cop,
Yeah.
like right in the middle. just sitting there at a job site.
Literally.
You got one of those little mini handheld computers with
Yeah.
cellular.
It would be ideal though, like if I was still out in the field. But
I mean, you only really need to watch it pretty much in the morning.
IMVT. 30 calls. March 19th, 2021. 2,500 contracts.
it was Amazon. Fine.
STLA.
Did that test a little bit.
22 calls.
On
January 21st, 2022. 1,518 contracts.
This is lagging like crazy right now.
Because of beta or what?
I'll just be good.
What was the thesis on GME you said, Alberto?
But
I'm really down $2. It's not.
I don't think it's like
You can hit that X.
it's like
Oh, my internet, man.
You can hit that X resistance.
probably.
You don't have internet?
No, Walmart internet.
So you see how basically like all
CM.
people like that?
460 calls. February 19th, 2021. 1,000 contracts.
That setup's so dope, Cruz.
Oh, my setup?
Yeah, it's
Thank you, Drew. This was my dream setup.
How big are the side monitors?
34.
How many screens do you have? Two of them? Two of them?
Yeah, the two on the side and then these ones. So he said starting to get more into trading, but you have a full-time job. What time does your job start? Like, what time do you start during the day?
410
Um,
February 12th.
Are you? I don't know if you're asking for alerts, dude. Like, are you asking me if I just send out alerts? Because if that's what you're asking, no, I don't send alerts.
February 19th.
But you could definitely
833 contracts.
you could definitely learn outside of market hours. You could definitely learn outside of market hours. Like, I do have a lot of content that you could watch to be able to learn after hours and stuff. But if you're actually wanting to trade and what have you, then I don't send out alerts. You'd have to watch for the setups and stuff on your own.
It's a little late for sure. I just don't know what this thing's doing.
How much are you down on it? Not $30.
I don't think I should be down shit. I shouldn't be down it. I just can't tell.
Oh, I see. Yeah, dude. So like if awesome, bro. I appreciate you watching all the videos. So like if so yeah, like when you're gone or whatever, you could watch the content. I actually just ordered a capture card so then I could record my screen as I'm trading and like actual execution. So like not on YouTube, but to my members like Monday through Thursday, I show my actual execution screen and getting in and out and everything. So then you could time it. You could look at what my thought process was, pause it, go back, stuff like that. So so I ordered the capture card to be able to do that.
It's doing some weird shit, but the thing is, Netflix wasn't really following the spice like 100%.
What's purple you have?
What's that?
What's that purple line you have?
So to answer your question, yeah, like if you're self-employed, you're gone for a little bit. Cool, if you're gone during the market hours, just study during those times, and then when you are here, if you do sign up with a membership, then you could trade live with us, and ask questions, and I'll ask for stuff for you.
Filled zone, sorry, I said filled zone. Nah, it'll do a white. It'll be white because they rejected.
That's what got you in the GME. No,
Yeah, probably.
do you want me? I don't know, dude. Do you guys want me to turn on the flow algo back on the YouTube?
It's because I did a market.
The audio?
I did it.
You'd have gotten one candle before you.
Well, if I would have done join that ass. It would have done it.
Yeah, so all my memberships, right? So monthly, yearly, and the lifetime, everyone gets access to. So like if you look above, that's my actual chat room right now. You could see how they're calling out trades. On Fridays, it's a little bit more slow because they're actually watching on YouTube, or they'll trade on their own because they can't hear my voice in the Discord right now. So it's a little bit slower on Fridays of the interaction in there. But yes, so I no flow algo, it drains my voice. All right. So what I did is I turned down the desktop volume so the flow algo shouldn't drown out my voice anymore. So we'll see if it's better right now when she calls something out. Yeah. So everyone gets to trade with me live. Is that better?
22
Can you hear me now?
February
Or
19,
still turn it down?
2021.
How about like that?
460 calls. February 19.
Yeah, that's yeah. I'll go ahead and leave it a little bit lower like that. Maybe a little bit lower like that. So then.
February 12th, 2021. 550 contracts.
Not like that, a little bit further up. There, testing. Sorry guys, I never put the desktop volume on for the flow algo really, but if you guys like it, we'll go ahead and we could rock with that going forward.
2021. 1,100 LMT. 375 calls. June 18, 2021. 400 contracts.
Yeah, I have a little tiny one. That's like one of the little parade flags. Okay, cool. So yeah, so if you sign up for the membership, so it's just like this. So that we have the chat, so you could see the chat how it's coming through. You'll be able to see my screen. You'll be able to see the flow algo. So like we have discounted rates to the flow algo if you want to sign up for your own membership for flow algo. If not, I totally get it. Then I stream the flow algo here on my screen live. And so then you have access to the flow algo just looking at my screen too. So, I mean, that in itself, dude, like flow algo is $150 a month. I mean, you're paying for the flow algo and you're getting a membership to my chat room then, like, as part of that. So you could see the flow algo, you could see the charts that I'm looking at, and then usually I have the flow algo up a little bit further like this, like half the screen, and then I have my execution option chains down here in order to place my orders. You could see my place my orders there. So so to answer your question, yes. So we trade live together. If we'll make our pre-market plan in the morning together, and then after that, then what we will do is and make our pre-market plan, and then if you have any tickers that you see come up, then you call them out, and I'll pull it. Like I have at least 30 charts up on my screens. I have 5 monitors here, so I'll pull it up and I'll watch it with you. So then I could kind of guide you through the trade and what I'm seeing in the trade. So then you could actually build up that awareness of what to look for in real time while you're in the trade. So it's basically like I'm holding your hand through the trade. Yeah, call out my trades live as I take them. So just like I was right now. So told you guys I was in Square. Told you guys I I was getting in Zoom on the pullback, and then in Amazon I was to the downside, but I stopped out.
Gold. 21 puts. September 17th.
So I trade a lot more momentum stuff, so a lot more intraday trading. That's the way I personally trade. So a lot more momentum intraday, like nail and bail type trading. But I do have moderators that are in my chat room that do take longer term swings, and they're absolutely awesome at it. So they provide that value in my room where they take those bigger hold overnight type trades. So, and he calls out his trades live and everything. He says the price that he's looking at, the thesis, and they all put it in there on those longer term swing trades and bigger trades like that. But I come from trading small caps. I come from trading low cap takers. So I'm really used to the really fast nail and bail type stuff.
11 calls.
You remember that, Richard? I was like, you want to try small caps? You tried one trade. You're like, fuck that.
216 puts. February 12th, 2021. IWM. 216 puts. February 12th, 2021. 544 contracts.
The back thing, it's the chest that doesn't count. All look like that with my goddamn holiday shine in front of you. Those ones, bro. Shit's already changed.
No, it's the breakout point. I don't want to lose this.
Or you think that's the downward breakout? It is.
Cruz, when you mess with the small caps, are you messing with options still, or are you trading stocks and small caps?
Small caps don't have options.
So a lot of them do not do because the volume. Yeah, a lot of the smaller caps have options now since they've been running a lot.
That's weird.
But yeah, like when I was playing them with Richard and stuff back in the day, I just play equity, dude. So
I don't know how small caps.
you're able to control it a lot better because the liquidity and the options on the small caps, like it's shit.
Yeah.
Like obviously, if you're trading like Apple,
Yeah.
options
You
like
end up
this,
stuck in the trade on an option.
yeah,
Anybody can buy that.
exactly. So it's nice on a small cap where like you could scale into a trade. You can like take 4 entries and then just stop out if you need to. You don't have to get all like usually I just get in all at once on in my options or whatever. So
So the only downside, I mean, less risk, but the only downside to that is PBT if you don't have $25,000.
yeah, I mean yeah, and then you can't short too. So if you have a cash account.
Yeah, your account level. Pressure. They won't let you short sales. They won't let you, like even right now, like. I think
Pump. I don't know what this dude. Why you're calling out fucking shit on my stream, bro? You get the fuck out.
IWM. 216 puts. February 12th, 2021. 1,065 contracts.
When is it gonna like?
I don't know.
Never.
I think you have to have on a cash account. I think you just have to have the money there. And I'd probably have to have like if I wanted to short Tesla clip or something like that. They'll show you that you went to Amazon right now.
So far here, guys, I made a quick couple $100 on Zoom, and then also on Square, I took some profit here at 239. Done with those two, and then I took losses on Amazon. So up 639 for the day. Mr. Simpson, dude, I needed you, dude. I needed you over the last few weeks. All these guys were tearing me up all over YouTube. What are the top stocks to look at today? So in beta land, right? So in high betas, we're looking at Zoom. Right now, this thing is absolutely awesome here, guys. This is a nice dip and rip type setup right here.
Take that put sale.
Unless you're on a margin account, which I'm not retarded enough to do that.
So nice setup right here, a little compression signal, then this thing just went here from 388. So so $25 or so up so far. but lots of sweeps on Square. And then as far as like smaller cap tickers and stuff like that, guys, I haven't heard of anything else.
I know.
I don't see my guys really talking about anything else here.
Yes.
Tesla looks like it's gonna curl right here.
So we are looking at Pinterest too. So Pinterest down here is putting in this base right now. So they had earnings yesterday, did really well. Let's see right here.
Solo. 12 calls. February 12th.
So
2021.
so awesome earnings gap up.
1,500.
Came back down now, putting in this base here towards this 81. So this is starting to send a compression on these this smaller time frames right here. So you see right here, so compression, it's kind of ranging, put in the support, and then we're looking here for us to keep on making these higher lows and break above this pivot and make up this little gap area right here. So this is just people taking profit from earnings, the earnings gap last night. This will start turning around and it'll get to 100.
10 calls.
February
12th, 2021. 551 solo. 10 calls. February 12th, 2021. 1,109 AMC. 20 calls. June 18th, 2021. 756 contracts.
I like it, dude. I mean, I guess it's kind of like a double bottom right here on Tesla.
ETSC. 190 puts. March 19th, 2021. 2000 ZM. 460 calls. February 19th, 2021. 100 HTHT. 40 puts. September 17th, 2021. 500
460.
12 calls. January 21st, 2022. 555 contracts.
See the spike bouncing off of that. A little bit off that resistance right there. Right close right there.
Yeah.
Tesla doesn't really know what it wants to do though.
Bum bum bum.
It's a lot of open.
So I think I'm gonna call it pretty much this, since I'm up on the day, guys. Unless I see something A plus here in a second. But if you guys need help with your trades, call them out, and we'll go over them together.
Oh, that apple breakdown looks nice.
SGMS. 43 puts. March 19th, 2021. 705
See how
contracts.
it's coming way back here
Yeah.
for like an hour already? You're looking at the smaller time frame, like here, that channel.
Because it's kind of like what you were talking about before, where you can trade like the fucking
The
wedges
smaller
and
moves.
wedges.
Yeah. The smaller moves.
You can trade both. It could be like in longer and in shorter, in and out.
Yeah. Time them a little bit. Yeah, see, because if you see this channel developing, you can trade this little down move. Even if you're scalping, you know, you can trade that small up move, and then now you're gonna down.
Yeah, because you got two more wedges in that and the fucking
Right.
within that one wedge, there's two more wedges.
Look at these solo calls, bro.
That hasn't even filled. Just chilling.
Probably way as late as shit.
But cancel that shit.
33 puts. February 26th, 2021. 1,083 contracts.
Because this thing has been so baggy that it's
Is it your computer or is it the internet? Or
no,
is
I
it
think it's the
Thinkorswim?
Thinkorswim. Remember that other order that the Nvidia trade that was just chilling there?
Yeah.
I didn't even know I had
You're
it.
like, I tried Nvidia? Fuck today, Nvidia.
I got sitting on Tesla right now.
CYNE.
You do?
7 calls. May 21st, 2021. 370 MGNI. 60 calls. February 19th, 2021. 500 contracts.
Push past the way
I'm trying to watch this dip here on Zoom, guys. So I'm trying to join everyone to get on these longer
60 calls.
calls. I might jump into
February
those.
19, 2021. 814 contracts.
Check my Amazon order.
T28 calls. February 12, 2021. 500 contracts.
Jeff Bezos retires your knees, bro.
Everything falls
ZM.
apart.
ZM. 450 calls. February 12, 2021.
I forgot to look at Tilray.
228 contracts. FUBO.
These are all today's
50 calls. February 12, 2021. 446 contracts.
Oh, there you go. Second camera gas view up.
Yeah, so you can use the VWAP to do a crossover play. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And the VIX is coming back down here, dude. So we're probably gonna rip on the SPY right now.
If it would be nice if it pushed back up to this.
Looks like there's like one over there at the top that pink candle is.
Yeah, if you're looking at like a really small time frame. The thing is, Tesla makes such big moves that like an increment that small, it's hard to like pay attention to.
IWM. 216 puts. February 12, 2021. 1,000 contracts.
Yeah, a little bit. Just watching it.
I don't like playing the SPY, dude. It seems like the theta gets a hold of the SPY contracts like really fast, and then, what do you call it? It just moves really slow too. Like I used to just use I used to just play like pivot to pivot, and like if it got there, and whatever, and sometimes it would just range, dude. It would just go sideways and kill the premium.
March 19, 2021. 500 contracts. KO. 50 calls. February 19, 2021.
I like it, dude. The CCIV thing,
49 contracts.
even just from a technical standpoint, and I mean, so that's
285 calls.
you are gambling on that news, right? So with them, if anything negative comes out on that Lucid news, then you are playing a little bit of a game here where it will pull back, right? But on the same end, like your risk to reward, what's your reward if they do announce the merger and everything? This thing is going to go straight through 50 if that happens, right? So as long as you're able to manage your risk, and I like this technical, bro. Like I like this, cup handle right here. I think that we get to 40. If you come over here and you look on the flow algo, there's tons of 40 open 40 calls on this. If the flow algo would freaking load. So you're on the right side of the trade if you're looking at it. So 40, 50, 50, like even this morning, this 40 hit right here, 45. All the open interest right here, dude. Everything's leaning towards bullish on it. So I like it a lot, to be honest, dude. So
All you see is where it started, stopped, pushed down to, pushed up to. But to see where the volume's coming in,
Yeah. Gives you the actual real true value for that.
it tells you where the volume is.
so whenever something kind of gets in the middle of a range and is really strong, right? Like pins. So on Pinterest here, partner. So basically, let me turn this back to the dashboard real quick. So when you get upwards of like $70, $80, and you just see like a huge momentum, then the next whole round number, it's what we call a magnet. So the price is attracted to that number to get to it, to validate if it's actually worth it to go over that number, if that makes sense. So the price action is going to want to get to 100 to see if it could actually break above that point and then continue going further. If it gets to that point and it rejects it really hard, then the investors and the market know that, okay, it's overvalued. You know, people aren't going to buy it at 100 at that point, but it wants to go up there and actually just test 100. So what we're looking at right now, just technically on just technically on pins, is we had this we had earnings, right? So we had a really nice earnings yesterday, really nice gap up. So what does everyone do as soon as the market opens? They're taking profit. So this is just the profit takers from earnings yesterday, people that held through earnings. So everyone that took profit, this is the sellers in the dip right here in this area. Now everyone's starting to buy the dip right here, and then this should start curling back up. And so then it'll push, and then within the next week or two, I bet you we get to about $100.
162 contracts.
Yeah, see. 580.
It's under $20.
And then let's see, look at that. That's running. This is like, nah.
See if it bounces off that resistance from that support before these up.
SBUX. 110 calls. June 18th, 2021. 104 SBUX.
Starbucks flow has been all morning, dude. Do they have earnings today or next week?
104 GGB. 6 calls. June 18th, 2021.
There's that rip on the SPY we were just talking about right here, guys. So whenever like I'm trading, I'm looking at the VIX here for the volatility. So this is your volatility index right here, and it works inversely of the SPY. So whenever the SPY goes up, the VIX comes down, and then so vice versa as well. So when the SPY goes up, this goes down. When the VIX goes up, the SPY goes down. So you keep an eye here on the VIX. It'll always kind of tattletale on the SPY in the market before it actually happens, so it'll keep you safe on your trades. Order filled.
SPY. 386.
Did you stop out or what?
February 8th, 2021. 634 contracts. GGB. 6 calls. June 18th,
What did he say?
2021. 800 contracts.
Why? What did he say?
It's like you're fucked, like my life is ending, dude.
Why?
Oh, it's just different. So I have 7 kids, bro. $100 is a lot of money.
420 calls. February 5th, 2021.
I have 7 kids, like $100 is a lot of money to me, bro.
420 calls.
Yeah, it's
February
really sad.
5th,
I don't know how I can manage that,
2021.
dude. Like, I could rather manage my own son,
218 contracts.
So they can't even manage my chick.
Like, shit. Oh, I definitely can't run my chick. My chick runs my shit.
You stopped out for $100 loss?
No, I'm like probably like $200 now.
Dude,
No,
that's
even I think we only got out of one of them.
That's nothing, bro. I stopped out at Amazon for a $1,500 loss.
I'm just gonna switch over.
Anyone buy this dip on Zoom? I did. I bought the shit out of this dip on Zoom.
Look at that picture, bro. I would last that picture, bro.
So someone was asking me for longer term plays. This will be something that I would look forward to holding into next week. So as long as we could finish, we could close the day here pretty strong on the Zoom. I'll hold this position. I got February 19th, 460s. So these are printing pretty nice, and so I bought here on the dip right here on Zoom.
NCLH. 25
You see all this flow on Zoom in here, dude.
2021. 5 snap. 75 calls. March 19th, 2021. 2,200.
Is Trade Freak at the office? Yes, sir. Mr. Richard himself. Over here nailing and billing.
Getting nailed and bailed.
He's stressing Aaron out over here.
Getting nailed, dude.
I'm glad I sold that Square. Square is a piece of crap, bro.
I don't like the way it moves.
It used to get really good momentum, but I don't know what happened.
Like PayPal, everyone that trades PayPal, I can't stand that shit.
Oh, we forgot Snapchat. The Snappy Chatty.
You forget I usually don't even trade Fridays, Cruz, remember?
Oh, that's right. And how you doing today?
Shit.
Same.
I take like 60% of my losses on Fridays.
Actually, I'm doing pretty good here on this Zoom.
Watching the video here.
I don't like NVIDIA, bro.
Me and Nvidia have.
I like that, Skip. Where's your stop loss?
NCLH. 25 calls. February
Damn, we're already an
26th,
hour into the open here, guys.
500 contracts.
Did you see that Amazon? Oh yeah. Did you see Amazon popped up after you left it yesterday?
Yeah.
It went up like $30.
I was at a job and then I saw you tag me and I looked, bro, and I was like, God damn.
Yeah, I was like, oh, that's funny. It didn't quite get to like that 33.50 or whatever, but can you? Does anyone? What's everyone's Super Bowl plans for this weekend? Anyone have any good? Or are you guys being all weird about the COVID stuff?
COVID? What's the thing?
Thought it ended at the election.
Dude, I'm so glad that all my friends agree with me, dude, like on the whole COVID thing.
Oh, you guys are all about that COVID or what?
No, you
Mask? You're not a mask hole or?
You can't have a service industry business and be about COVID, dude.
UAA. 20 calls. March 19th, 2021. 642 contracts.
They're gonna pass the stimulus without, dude, homemade spaghetti would freaking smack, bro. That would be really good. Don't even tempt me, bro. I'll jump on a plane tomorrow.
For spaghetti?
No, no, well, not just the spaghetti. So Richard was all, you jump on a plane for spaghetti?
Cheap as hell, dude.
Um, yeah. So if you, I don't know how aggressively you got into pins there, Skip, but here in these areas, 79, 80, dude, you could add to your average right here too. You could add a contract or two. Just make sure you keep it on a short leash.
It's up to you.
Okay.
Christianity, right?
Yeah.
Did you?
I know I was just a dick.
Same thing, dude. It's fine.
Yeah.
Still covered. Is that what she said?
That's how I was.
Oh.
She's like, sorry, I'm a bad person. I was like, I'm not a bad person. You just speak too much, Robo.
Who wants to bet me that pins gets over 100 before AMD?
It's not a good one yet. You'll get there. Eventually you'll be a good person. You got it. It's possible. She'll start crying. Her hands will take over.
Yeah, dude. Possible.
Did you eat?
Yeah. Protein cereals.
Good food.
Did you get out of all those treats?
Yeah.
I know. I was all upset, dude. I got all moved in, and then Red Door closed downstairs. I was like, "Are you fucking kidding? Now I can't go get a beer after I'm done trading."
Oh, I didn't even know there's a red door down here.
There
Bro,
was.
why don't you just get a kegerator from here?
We should. Well, we're gonna put a bar probably outside right here.
Oh.
So I don't know if we're gonna do the whole kegerator thing, but
Yeah, just get like a 2-tap kegerator, bro. Just have 2 beers on tap all the time.
we should.
They're only like $500.
We have a Adam Tattoo's one of the head guys over at Marble.
Yeah.
So he's always bringing us stuff. I wonder if he could set us one up.
You better.
You guys that are watching here, guys, on the live stream, if you you guys want to ask any questions or anything, especially the newer guys, if you guys just found me because of the AMC videos and stuff, if you guys were part of the guys that were flaming me, bro, I would like to know to see like where you're at on your AMC trade. Are you still holding it?
XOM. 48 puts. 48 puts. February 19th, 2021. 600 and XOM. 48 puts. February 19th, 2021. 1,194 contracts.
Gosh, I fucking hate this guy so much.
Ooh.
XOM. 48
Who?
puts. February 19th,
No.
2021. 767 contracts.
The rocket ship never left Earth atmosphere, dude. You want me to show you what what AMC looked like?
He's like this, he got like a lateral promotion with T-Mobile.
Yeah.
And then he went around and like had to message everybody and tell them that, like people that like he doesn't know. Like I don't think I've talked to him fucking forever.
It's a breakout bubble.
Like this one right here, bro. This was AMC right here. Oh, I think we're gonna go for it.
CCL CL 22 calls. February 26th, 2023.
That was that was Arion's trading account.
Blowing up or what? Aaron or Arion?
I said Arion. I'm just kidding, bro.
Form.
Man, I'm like
45
Aaron over here.
calls.
Like, I only can, like,
April 16th,
pennies, man.
2021.
Pennies, dude?
Yeah,
107 ZNGA.
I
11
I
calls.
originally only can deposit
February
500 at this time,
19th,
so it's
2021.
like I only can, you know,
692 contracts.
Because T-Mobile fucked all of us on income, bro. All of us.
Oh wait, you worked at T-Mobile too?
dude, all these
Me?
guys did, man.
Yeah, I was Richard's district manager when he was working at the stores.
Was it TPR or was it?
Yeah, TPR.
I didn't realize that you. I don't know, maybe you did tell me that, Richard. I didn't realize you worked there too.
Yeah.
Damn, the T-Mobile boys in the house. Now we're all traders. T-Mobile, the T stand for traders.
It's the magenta crew, bro.
Big bags made 12,000
Dude,
They don't have
honestly,
12,000.
dude, T-Mobile's like a cult, man. Think about it, like like remember those town halls, dude?
I was just excited because John fucking Ledger would say fuck. They were just always like, oh, that guy just said fuck.
Yeah, but then when we said it, we got all in trouble. It was like, isn't that what you got in trouble for, Cruz?
I got demoted from district manager to sales rep for inappropriate speaking, dude. On camera.
On camera.
But I don't think that's the I think I was talking about eating ass in the back room.
Oh, that's funny, bro.
It's hard.
That's funny.
people do that.
Everybody talks about
So
it.
Richard demoted you or what?
Oh. No, Richard worked. Richard and his
Richard demoted you, and now you're partners in your business.
No, they were both two of my store managers. Him and his girlfriend both worked for me.
Oh wait, they worked for you.
Yeah. Richard's been my right hand man for like 7 years now. He was like, when I was a store manager, he was a rep for me, and then he was my assistant manager forever. And then when I was a district manager, he was like my go-to, my point of contact store manager.
That's funny, dude. That's actually kind of hilarious, actually.
He introduced me to my wife. I set him up with his wife.
Did your wife work at T-Mobile too?
Mine, yeah. She was
Damn, bro.
That's how I
CL
worked.
And she
13
worked for me
calls.
actually as a rep.
February 12th, 2021.
Dang, you're a manager and you're banging your rep.
624
Well, I hired
contracts.
Now it's on YouTube.
Oh my gosh, you're just making it worse.
Team calls.
He, this guy said he hired his chick as his rep,
2,000
and then banged her.
It's not like that, bro. I transferred her to the other district once.
Oh my god! And then he fired her so he could bang her. He said.
June 18th, 2021. 500 contracts.
He's like, take that off of YouTube, bro.
No, I traded her to a store manager in the other district that was one of my business partners after that.
Oh, now he's pimping. Now he's pimping her.
From a lot of guys have met the chicks from T-Mobile, man. Fucking dudes. That's how I met my chicks.
Call centers are, but call centers are nasty. Retail stores are nasty, but call
115
centers are
calls.
nastier, bro.
February 19th, 2021. 750 contracts.
Get fucking purple syphilis, man.
You'll get the ultimate STD brown marriage.
You mean kids?
Richard, you married?
Kids are not that. Kids
No.
are dope. Marriage is
See,
rough, bro.
I don't know. My kid is an house or something.
How old your kid?
He'll turn 7 on Valentine's.
Oh, bro, that's such a dope age.
Well, I think what it is just like.
Does he go back and forth between you?
Bro,
and
why is
his
my
mom?
chair like permanently relaxed?
That's what I said. I couldn't figure out how to fix it.
That's hard though. That's what's hard. It's like before I got divorced, that's why my kids were alive.
IVZ.
I got 5 contracts.
25 calls.
How much money are you trying to
April
lose?
16th,
Enough?
2021.
Enough?
3,600 IVZ.
Bro, you're a lot more.
25 calls. April 16th,
Friday. You either make
2021.
money or you lose it. There's not like a,
7,350 contracts.
no.
Oh,
Oh, dude. I feel like I'm like
VIPs.
lowrider. dude.
40
So your kids in
calls.
what, first grade?
January 21st, 2022.
This one's much better, dude.
500 contracts.
Just got diagnosed with ADHD, so he's like pain in the ass. Medication and all that's helping. Did you meet your girl at T-Mobile?
Which one?
Yeah,
Snap.
which one, right?
75 calls.
No, she's a
March 19th,
Aaron
2021.
ran through that call center like 3 times
2,365
already.
contracts.
You should have seen how the Sprint call center was, bro.
I mean, that's how they are, man.
It's just like college all over again.
This guy, what do you mean this dude over here?
I got
Dude, you started banging my brother's ex.
so she was
My brother works at the call center, and after he broke up with her.
why are you putting all my business all over YouTube now?
54 calls.
That's true.
I'm just
March 19th,
I'm just kidding.
2021.
They were making love. They were
750
But Ruby was
contracts.
hot though, dude.
Yes. Well, it was his ex. It wasn't like he was with her.
Yeah, and to be honest, like we weren't friends at that time.
Who?
Your brother, he wasn't talking to me or anything. So,
Dude, you know how my brother is though, man.
but she's hot though. Well, she was not no more.
She got a little plump on her.
Yeah.
Better when they get a little bit chubby, bro, than their egos go away.
That's not true, dude. Especially when they're Latina. Your chick Latina?
Oh, no, I would never get it.
Dude, my ex-wife was
Excuse
the
me?
Hispanic I've ever dated, bro.
I don't need
I call her the Hispanic panic when she would get all mad at me.
Nah, bro. I was seeing how my mom is. My mom's an amazing woman, but she's terrifying, bro.
Dude, I'm up a total of like $22 on fucking Apple right now.
Dude, you're killing it, man.
I had 5 contracts. I'm trying 500 fucking chairs. Oh, $20.
Yeah, because the contract's like 80 cents.
No, it's 30. That's the
You
fucking
get this shit right.
This fucking thing's gonna have to go to like 300.
Apple and Microsoft is like, they're like, yeah, there's no risk in using that.
CCIV, yeah, dude, I like the CCIV, bro. So, we were just talking about this a little bit. I think so. I wanted the pullback to 27, bro, and I didn't see where it got to here yesterday. This is where I would have loaded my boat right here on CCIV, and I should have set an alert, and I didn't, and I could make every excuse in the book, but I missed it, and it's been nothing but up since then, dude. But if you take a look,
All day. Because when we're fucking, imagine a year just seeing each other every single day, all day.
so right here, right? So it dipped right here to about 27. So a little bit below that, and then also right here, I wanted to be able to get in there, and I missed it.
32 calls. March 19th, 2021. 1,000 contracts.
Dude, that was with
ZM. 415 calls. February 26th, 2021. 126 contracts.
It's crazy because like white girls seem like they don't give a shit sometimes. That's like kind of a positive.
I'd rather them not give a shit than be fucking like hot or cold, you know? Never just like a lukewarm, bro.
Yeah.
It's crazy. First Latina I dated was my
QQQ.
ex-wife. She was like,
Dude, I forget that I
310
hooked
puts.
up, like I was with Ruby, bro.
March
And then you bring it up on.
"Talk about that yesterday."
I forget though. You're the one that you're.
150 contracts.
No, you're the one. You're the one that brought it up though. Yeah, I forgot.
SE 285 calls.
She white.
February 26th, 2021. 1,000 contracts.
Way too attractive for me, so I just,
Way too attractive.
yeah, just let it go.
Yep, I'm still in my Zoom here, brother. They're printing. Zoom is going. Brrrr. Do you have any Zoom, Richard?
I always forget to watch Zoom. Like I like overlook it on my watch list.
I'm like, yeah, bro.
Here comes the release on Amazon, bro.
She all tatted?
I'm watching Tesla right
My
here.
little brother's a tattooer, so she just got another piece added to her arm yesterday. So I almost got to sleep upside down.
I'm still holding
My
Apple.
little brother just tattoos like right around the corner.
CS.
They're just getting old.
CS. 220 calls.
February
February
The tattoo
5th,
shop's called
2021.
Heritage Creators. They just
998
guys
contracts.
out, so they changed up the name to Premier.
Yeah. I didn't know they changed their name.
Yeah. Well, the guy that opened it originally was a dick, and they just basically the other 4 guys there just kicked him out about 6 months ago. Everybody in town hated him.
33.25.
I'm not in on that.
There it goes.
Your Aaron, your chick, does she cook and stuff?
Kind of.
Pretty good.
I mean,
She's not the greatest cook in the world, but like over the few years of us being together, she cooks consistently. So I don't really know how super
Ego.
good it is. So I don't.
Ego.
15 calls.
15 calls.
March
Honestly, bro,
March
like,
19,
as long as there's
2021.
chicken, bro,
625 contracts.
Richard always laughs. What kind of chicken did you eat last night? Was it barbecue chicken? Was it lemon pepper chicken?
I feel like, yeah, I boiled it. She said it's gross.
I don't.
Is that what you eat? Boiled chicken?
No,
Like baked or like pan cooked or whatever.
PRTY.
I don't know anybody out there
PRTY.
that cooks,
9 calls.
February
February 19th, 2021.
All right, guys, we're gonna start wrapping it up here on YouTube. So a little bit kind of out of the
2021.
different than a usual stream. So usually it's just me in here, but it's kind of nice to have my friends in here trading with me. So I don't know if you could hear, like, it's cool, like they're calling out their trades, I'm calling out mine, and Arion is really new, the guy right here behind me that's sitting at the desk in the black shirt. So he's still learning and picking things up and everything. So it's pretty cool. For you guys that are new to the stream, so this is the way that this office, the Trade Factory, will work like. So if you want to come and hang out and trade, I have more desks that are coming. We also have another like 3,500 square feet outside of this room. So you could come and you could trade. We have pool table, we have Nerf guns, we have hoverboards, and it's just a cool place to come and trade and hang out and everything, dude. So so let me know. You could send me an email at cruz@newedgewallstreet.com, or even send me a DM if you guys want to come out. Please don't just show up, dude. We do have guns. We do have all this. Like, we do take our security and safety very serious. So please don't just show up.
IWM.
Give me a heads up that you're coming at least. You know what I mean? So,
February 19, 2021.
I mean, that goes without saying, I hope. The lifetime membership is on sale. It's $2.99, and you get the pre-market watch list, the weekly watch list, pre-market plan, the daily live stream. We do member-only webinars, and you have access to me like 24/7, pretty much, dude. So like you could. So if you need any help with your trading, you can let me know. We also have morning recaps that we have in a library. We also have a technical indicator library. So if you want to look at the technical indicators that we have, you get my actual technical indicators that you see on the screen here, the candles and the T3 line, the macro trend here. All that stuff comes with your membership too included, dude. So, man, it's so much value, bro. Like so much money. So if you guys want to sign up, that'll be done in that'll be towards the excuse me. So the promotion for the memberships will be done we'll do it Monday morning at the open. All right. So Monday morning's market open is when it'll end. So if you guys, I know some people get paid, later on Friday afternoons and stuff like that. If you want to sign up over the weekend, great. Investing in your trading future and your education, so you're not just gambling and making guesses that, I think this is going to go up. Actually know and have an edge in the market to be consistently profitable. Okay. So we are coming out with a course. It's being actively worked on right now, but there's not necessarily a course. Now we do have like a OneNote. So we have a OneNote that is like all the proprietary information for my room, and it teaches you like our setups that we play. There's terminology, and it gets you up and going. It onboards you so that the way that we trade as a team for New Age Wall Street, and the way we trade in my room. So not necessarily like A to Z course, but it gives you what you need to know in order to go ahead and get started trading like us. So. And then from there, if you study and you look at the videos and everything on there, then I can fill in the gaps on the live stream and on the webinars and stuff. Cool. All day. So that's a really good question. So I'm just on YouTube for the first 2 hours on a Friday, and then on And then, so like on the Discord, I'm live all day. So I leave my screen up and everything. I may leave around 11 o'clock market time just to go grab some breakfast and stuff. But then I come back and I'm here the rest of the day.
Depends on how good you are.
He said it. He said that you like took off, like you figured it out, and then just
Pretty quick, but I did a lot of my own research. Like I spent like maybe 3 to 4 hours a day. Like
Yeah, absolutely, brother. Hope we see you guys in the room. All right. If you have any questions, if you have any further questions, send me a DM on Twitter. My @ is New Age Wall Street, just ST for street on Twitter, or just like I said, send me an email at cruise@newagewallstreet.com. And if you guys want to come hang out and get a watch list for the week for next week, we'll have a watch list on Sunday. We have the Stockcast at 8 p.m. Eastern. Here live on YouTube as well. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so then you get notified when we go live and everything then, okay? All right, take it easy, guys. You guys have a great weekend. Don't get too crazy on Super Bowl. Make sure you guys stay safe. We'll see you for the Stockcast on Sunday and Monday for the Open, all right?